our focus to tell you about how, in a significant legal development, the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court has ordered that non-Hindus and those who don't believe in Hindu gods or goddesses should not be permitted to go past the Dhvajastambha of the Palani Murugan temple. Now, a signboard mentioning that non-Hindus and those who do not believe in Hindu gods or goddesses will not be allowed to enter the temple and should be placed in notable spots across the temple. If a person from a different religion wants to worship the Murugan deity in Palani, they should give a written oath in a register mentioning, and I quote, "I have come for worship here with full faith in this God," unquote. Now, once they have written this in the register, they can be allowed inside the temple. In fact, this order was passed following a petition by a person named Senthil Kumar from Palani city. Let me take that development across to my colleague Dharani. Dharani, very good afternoon. We do know this, order is coming after the fact that this petition was filed by a person named Senthil Kumar. But as far as the directive that's given, just for our viewers to better understand this, what is the key takeaway?
Well, Justice Srimati of the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court has ordered that non-Hindus and those who do not believe in Hindu deities, they should not be allowed to, enter inside the Palani Murugan temple. They should not be allowed to go past the flag post, is what she is told. And in fact, she's also went on to tell that if somebody from, a different religion, if a person from a different religion wants to worship the Murugan deity inside the temple, they should, they should take a written oath in a register note that's going to be kept in the temple, and in the oath they should write that they want to worship this god after having placed a full faith in this god. Only if they have a full faith in this Palani Murugan deity, they can enter the temple and they can worship, is what the justice has told. And this comes after PIL was filed by a person named Senthil Kumar. So when we tried getting in touch with the GMK, they told that this is part of the rules under the HRNC department, and that they don't have anything to comment on it because it's a judicial matter, it's a judicial development, so it wouldn't be appropriate to comment on it, is what the GMK has told. But also signboards mentioning that non-Hindus and those who do not believe in Hindu deities, that they'll not be allowed inside the temple premise, will be kept in all notable spots across the temple based on this court order. So if a person from a different religion, say a Christian or a Muslim, if they want to enter the Palani Murugan temple and pray to the deity, they will have to take an oath, written oath in a register that they are going to worship this god after having placed full faith in this god.
Right, Dharani. I appreciate you getting us the latest and also, legally speaking, helping our viewers better understand that development. But for the moment, we're going to have to leave it at that.